RainioGold.com Review. Is this website legit or a scam? If you've come across RainioGold.com and aren't sure whether it's a legitimate online store or a scam, this review will help you determine what to watch out for before you shop. We'll break down how the site presents itself, trust indicators, and whether it seems safe to use. RainioGold.com appears to be an e-commerce website offering products across various categories. Before making a purchase from any online store, it's important to assess key factors like transparency, payment security, customer support, and real user experiences. Legitimate online stores typically provide clear business information, secure checkout processes, and verifiable reviews, while scam sites often lack these essentials. At first glance, RainioGold.com may look like many other online shops, with product listings and promotional banners. A clean design and product photos can create a good first impression, but appearance alone isn't enough to confirm legitimacy. Genuine stores usually include detailed contact information, a physical address, clear terms of service, and solid return and shipping policies. When these elements are missing or vague, it raises caution. Payment security is another important consideration. Trusted e-commerce sites use secure payment gateways and display SSL encryption in the browser's address bar. If payment methods are limited to unusual or unverified options, or if security indicators are absent, that's a red flag. Legitimate stores also outline their delivery timelines and refund procedures, so buyers know what to expect. Customer reviews can offer valuable insight, but you need to distinguish between real and fake feedback. Authentic reviews tend to mention specific experiences, including delivery times, product quality, and customer service interactions. Scam sites often host generic or overly positive testimonials that don't feel trustworthy. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, RainioGold.com may include a clean website layout, clear product categories, and SSL encryption that helps protect user data during checkout. These surface features are common on legitimate online stores and help make the browsing experience smoother. On the downside, the cons point to deeper issues. Limited information about the company behind the store, a lack of genuine third-party reviews, and unclear or missing shipping and return policies can all be warning signs. When customer support paths are not easy to find or unresponsive, it becomes harder to resolve issues after a purchase. Promotional offers that seem too good to be true can also be a red flag. In summary, while RainioGold.com may look like a functioning e-commerce site on the surface, the lack of transparent business details and limited verifiable customer feedback suggest you should proceed with caution. If you decide to shop there, take steps to protect yourself by using secure payment methods and confirming the site's credibility before submitting sensitive information.